stopped at Home Depot because I wanted to just grab some plants. I was in the mood to get some greenery. They have so many good plants right now, and I wanted to buy every single one of them, but I only bought one because I need a plan before I purchase all these things and then don't know where I'm going to put them, since light is a problem in my house. So I did end up getting this guy here. I don't know what it's called. It's called the Sands. It looks like a snake plant, but I don't think it is. I don't know. I don't know much about greenery. I'm still learning about it and learning about like houseplants and whatnot. But this one said medium light, and I said, okay, that would be perfect. I've always wanted a snake plant. Some of them had said highlight, and then some of them said like medium, so I have to kind of figure out what I'm doing, but I want like a big snake plant at some point. Anyway, I thought that this was cute. I loved the look of the leaves, and I want a whole jungle in my house at some point. I've said that I think every year. And the other day I did get some seeds at my house. I have a couple of seeds already from Target, but I wanted to get my starting pots. I used these last year and I really liked them. They worked fine, and you can just plant them in the pot once you are done with your seeds and you're ready to like move them up to bigger pots. So I got a set of those. I think I still have a couple from last year too. I got some seeds. I got some chives. At home I have basil and dill and lavender. So I have chives. I don't even know where I'm gonna put all this stuff. I'm gonna find some areas for it. Tomatoes. I love growing tomatoes. The only thing with tomatoes is they're kind of frustrating for me because I feel like they take months and months and months to grow, and then when they finally do grow, it's cold out. So I need to plant these like ASAP so that I can get some harvest before the frost. I did buy zucchini because I loved zucchini when I did it 2 years ago. And flowers. I do want to buy some more flower seeds. I wasn't really impressed with what they had for selections for flowers there. I don't know, I maybe want like house flowers. But anyway, I did get this, and this is called, oh my word, I don't know what it's called. I don't know how to say that word. That's what it is. But I figured I could grow those, start those in the house and then move those to pots, and that would be really pretty. So that's what I did just now at Home Depot. I cannot wait until it's flower season, like everything grows and whatnot. So that's all I was doing today. I crossed everything off of my to-do list as far as other work goes and uploading videos and all of that, and I did just a little bit of housework, and then I really wanted to get out of the house and get some greenery. It makes me happy. Hey guys, welcome back. Today, day in the life vlog. It's the last sunny day, I think, for the rest of the week. So I want to try to get outside and enjoy the sunlight as much as possible. Sydney had her 5-year appointment, like checkup at her doctor's today, and we just got back from that. So she gets a book at every appointment, every like checkup appointment, and I just love it. It looks like this one's gonna be cute. We started to read it in the office. She was 42 inches tall and 34.6 ounces. She's always been on the same curve. Height-wise though, like she's in the 30th percentile, which is crazy because usually, you know, for her whole life she's been like 10% on everything. That's where she is with weight. But yeah, definitely growing, definitely healthy. When the doctor was asking her like what her favorite foods are, oh my word, Sydney just started spouting off like 10 different foods, and they're always so impressed with her eating. So she's a healthy, happy girl. We are gonna go do one of her lessons on my phone. I give her like a lesson usually when she's not in school, Tuesday and Thursday, and then Saturday and Sunday she's not in school, of course. I like to do like something educational here and there, try my best. But we've been using a Crediclass, which is a math app designed for kids ages 3 to 8. And so she does a lesson a day on that. So we are about to go do that lesson, and then we will go outside and have some lunch and just get our energy out and get her energy out and have fresh air. What do you think?
Great.
Give me a hug. I knew you were tall, but you're like so tall. She doesn't really have it in her DNA to be that big though. My whole family, we're all just small ones. We're short, we're little.
It was short.
I think you'll be taller than Mama though. Thank goodness, because your Mama is short.
Okay.
You want to go do your lesson?
Yeah.
You want to go do your lesson?
Yes. I
love you.
Yeah.
So like I said, Sydney's in school just Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and she is off 4 days a week. Ever since she was little, I try to include some educational activities for her. You guys know I do lots of educational things as much as possible. And so I love the Crediclass app. It's so simple for her because it's only like 15 minutes or less a day, and it includes videos, a little like FaceTime phone call at the very end, videos, quizzes, and so she gets all excited when she gets things right, and it gives her the stars of accomplishment. She's like, ooh, I did it. I've noticed too, as the classes go on, they get a tiny bit more, difficult for her, or challenging, I should say, and that's what I like because it keeps her engaged. And so it's sort of like a progressive learning where they gradually build their math skills and thinking skills as well. There's 3 different levels. It works on like cognitive, behavior, and society. And I love that it's customized to your child's age. Again, ages 3 to 8 can use this app. I have a link down in the description box below in case you guys are interested in trying out Crediclass. It's been wonderful because Sydney kind of knows to expect to do this, every single day. It takes less than 15 minutes to finish, and she just enjoys it. And I love that the lessons kind of are well-rounded in my opinion. They focus on 9 different abilities, including like imagination, creativity, discovery of science and technology as well. There's AI technology used here, so they're getting used to using, a screen, interacting with it, which is kind of important nowadays as they grow up. They're being more introduced to things like this in school too. And then at the end, the little like Momo FaceTime phone call is adorable. So I have a link in the description box below if you guys want to go ahead and download this.
All right, so I just made myself an iced coffee. I haven't made myself like an iced coffee from home in a long time. Hopefully that's good. I have the, what is this? Caramel Macchiato Zero Sugar Creamer from Starbucks. I don't know, I think I grabbed that on a whim the other day. Anyway, gonna go ahead and give that a try. And then we just have like super kind of random sandwiches, cheese and pickle. They were supposed to be turkey, but if you watched my other vlog when I ordered groceries, apparently they were out of deli turkey. I don't know. And then we have sugar snap peas, and we're gonna go outside and eat this. I mean, it's not like warm out by any means, but 55 and sunny, we'll take it. Ah, this is so nice, isn't it? Look how sunny it is. Makes me so happy.
I mean a pickle.
Yummy. This is actually good. The creamer, the salted caramel cream is good. Okay, I can't wait because I'm gonna be getting this door replaced finally. It's corroded in a couple of different spots. I wanted to wait until the weather warmed up just a little bit because of, I don't know.
But that's floated away.
That's okay. I don't know anything about construction or building, but when they did Sydney's door, it was around this time of year, but in the summertime it swells, like the wood swells, and so it rubs, and so I don't know if I should just wait until it's warm out. So, but this isn't wood, this is metal, but again, that's just my thinking, is I'll wait a couple of months to get that replaced, but I'm excited. Yeah, you did.
I'll sing a song later, okay?
Okay, it's hard work singing songs, huh?
Yeah.
Want your cheese?
I'll sing a song after I eat my cheese stick, okay?
Okay.
Mommy,
What?
you can sing a song for me. A makeup song.
Like make up a song?
Yeah. So, Mama.
The unicorn jumped over a rainbow and the sky fell out of the clouds.
Ah.
And then it started raining and...
Pouring down to the ground.
Oh, good job. I couldn't think of a rhyme and you came up with one really fast.
Yeah.
We just spent like 3 hours outside. I think it's 3 o'clock and we went outside at noon. So Sydney ran around, got all of her energy out. Not all of it, she still has loads of energy. So Sydney's gonna have a snack and she's playing, I guess she's playing with Magnetiles for a little bit. Yesterday, I went and since I'm getting so excited for spring, I'm getting gardening on the mind. I have gone a couple of different times to grab like seeds and a couple, well, one new plant. Yeah, so I'm so excited. I wanna live in a jungle. I can't wait to plant. I've finally figured out what I'm going to grow this year. I do wanna I haven't ever grown flowers really. Like I have a peony bush, and that's pretty much it for flowers, but I do wanna get into flowers, but I haven't bought anything really for that yet. Yesterday I went to Home Depot and I picked up this plant. I am gonna put them in different pots eventually because I don't know, I just would rather have like a nicer pot, but this is fine for now. I left the sticker on because I'll probably put it on the bottom actually, because I wanted to remember the name of the plant and how to care for it. I love having the different types of plants and like mixing them all. So I have this one. I have this guy over here that is thriving. Actually, I need to dust the leaves apparently, but I have a couple of new leaves coming in. Where are they? Yeah, one here and one over here. This thing has sprouted so many new leaves since I've got it. I do want to trim off a couple of the ones that aren't looking so hot, but it's actually thriving. This was my pride and joy, and it was the most perfect leaf, and then it got hit on accident and it split, but it's still doing completely fine. And then this one over here is definitely rough. I'm kind of having a hard time with it, but I don't know. Maybe I just need a different type of palm for this. I know there's a bunch of different types. This one happens to be the type that's apparently the hardest to take care of. There's a couple other palms that are really easy, but this one's finicky. So I don't know. It's actually been kind of looking like this for a very long time. And then I just set this guy over here. I got this like a couple of weeks ago now. And when I did get it, it had some brown on it already. So I'm just trying to, I don't know, make sure it doesn't get any more brown on it. And I just set it up here. I really like the way this looks. I like adding greenery because I think it makes it look more cozy, and then it adds a little bit of color. Since my color palette in my house seems to be pretty new. You okay? Pretty neutral. I just like adding some greenery. Eventually I want to like actually decorate and maybe have one of those dangling plants, you know, like a potted dangling one. I think that would look cute here. And then the other day I showed on Insta stories, but I grabbed this from Target. Finally have my own tool. I had been using like Sydney's toy ones last year. I don't know what happened to mine, so I got myself a little tool. I'm gonna be growing lavender. For herbs, I have basil. I always grow basil. I love it so much. Dill, I've never grown that before, but I do love dill in like pot. I just love it in lots and lots of recipes. I have to pause. I'm watching All Ears Net new like Disney video. It's like a routine, my routine that I do when I'm cooking dinner. It is just about 5 o'clock. Mom of the year, chicken nuggets and french fries. Honestly, we never ever have like chicken nuggets and french fries. I mean, might have to chicken nuggets, but french fries. Anyway, that's what we're doing for dinner at the moment, because Sydney desperately wants to go back outside and ride her Jeep. It's been charging for a little bit now, and hopefully it's enough to make it run. She tried to use that earlier and it just was dead. So that's been charging, and she really wants to go outside after dinner, so I thought I would do a quick chicken nuggets and french fries. I'm just washing out her lunchbox and getting things ready for school tomorrow. I have to wash like her bento box by hand. So that's what I'm doing right now. So the battery was dead. We got about like 10 feet and it died. So it's gonna charge overnight. Since we hadn't used it like all winter, it's gotta charge overnight and then she'll be able to use it. But she's okay. She's gonna scooter. You gonna scooter anyway?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
We're gonna have lace to that clock.
Okay. Ready? Set?
No, I can see what's that clock. Lace that clock.